Obutuzo and Defense Secretary. Okay, I got it as early as possible, but I intentionally refused to play it until we go to 4/7 and other people begin to dish it out. Then I release it because I don't want to run faster than my shadow. That's the kind of person that I am. You called her after calling me Sabo. I said, okay, let me hear from you. What makes me Sabo? Then you started running around, giving excuses, telling me that the way I present the word, I said, okay. After I said, what is your question? You said that I should do this and do that. Who am I working for? I told you what I'm doing. I'm not citing anybody. But if you feel that I'm siding serious, good and fine. If you feel that I'm siding with Ogenkere, no problem. But if I see something wrong from serious, I will say it. And I've done that in the past. When she wanted to go to Dr. Damage's program, I came out here and said that it is wrong. Don't do that. When they said that she's posting phone number on social media, I condemn it here. When they said that she's recruiting a Bubago, I condemn it here. So, that you are serving this, but I cannot just ignore what Ogenkere and their group are doing, knowing fully well that after my own observation, because you said you have observed me, but that through observation, you couldn't point one or two things that I've done, because your mind and your brain is covered with Ogenkere is the right person that he built he following here. He said something here that they are following the structure of PM made and all that, blah, 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 that BRG is pregnant. But to you, that pregnant woman have not delivered after declaration. That is to tell you the kind of person you are. I ignore that part because I don't want you to drag. Let us just focus on the simple issue. If I'm to question you based on what you said here, we will start this program. But I ignore that part because that can be a story for another day. Let me know exactly why I am worse than Sabo. Because Sabo, you don't know the meaning of Sabo. I'm not working with anybody that will put the freedom or anything in problem. That's the work of Sabo. You said if I'm looking for daily bread. So since when, if actually I'm looking for daily bread here, since when it become illegal to look for daily bread? That I'm doing broadcast, telling you what I feel, without mandating you to do anything or threatening your life. Have I come out here and said, if you don't support the God of the Rebellion, that you will see what I will do to you? That me and my men will look for you. Did I say something like that? I don't threaten anybody. And I don't, but people, your problem is that what I'm saying is true and it's hitting you so hard. You can't handle it. You want me to mellow down, to just forget. No, my brother. I'm not like you. We are not wired the same. Let me return call because somebody called before we move on. Before I move to another issue. If I'm not recognized you here on conversation, please don't be offended. Okay. Somebody was calling and calling. Who is that? Who was that person? This person. Let me call you. USB child. Hopefully you will answer call. I hope.
Hakuna fukuka unono kefera zono kuri kengani sanye tena inyakora kunyani foringose kwara yako Adam Postman buwe belo geni buwe belo adugo dozo uno mwanyi zingonye tono sami akeni ojerugo do nyemma buchikunya kamu manya kaze mwanya Afrika kaiji.
Hello. Yeah,
hello, my man. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
God bless you, brother.
Bless you.